Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Pipikaula. Pipikaula is the Hawaiian version of beef jerky. It was a common snack amongst the paniolos or Hawaiian cowboys. Now Pipikaula is often served as pupu or appetizers at luaus. Here are the following ingredients to make Pipikaula. First, in a bowl, add in the shoyu, water, oyster sauce, crushed ginger, crushed garlic, Hawaiian salt, and brown sugar. Mix it well enough to have the sugar dissolved. Set it aside. Start off by tenderizing the beef. Pound the beef using a meat tenderizer's jagged side. Tenderize both sides of the meat. Cut the meat into about 1.5 inch wide slices. Cut it in half if the length is too long. Add the meat to a gallon-sized Ziploc bag. Then add in the marinade. Make sure all of the marinade covers the meat. Now let it marinate in the fridge overnight. When the meat is finished marinating, line a baking sheet with foil and a wire rack. Add the beef to the wire rack. Then pop it into the oven set at 175 degrees and bake it for 7 to 8 hours. When it is pau, the meat should be pliable and not burnt. Serve it as a snack and enjoy this onalicious Pipikaula. If you enjoy this recipe, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Mahalo!